suggestion to all of you is make one media wherever that you can connect maximum, whichever is the easiest for you, wherever you can post maximum, wherever you can say कि consistently मैं कुछ original content डाल सकता हूँ, कोई सा भी media choose कर लीजिए. Does not depend, you know. If you're powerful in one media, automatically the other medias follow you. आप जैसे आज किसी भी ब्रांड एग्जांपल ले लूं, वीरेंद्र सहवाग ले लूं, अगर वो ट्विटर पे एक्टिव थे, कल को लिंक्डइन पे आएंगे तो उनके 1, 2, 5, 10 लाख फॉलोअर तो ऐसे आ जाते हैं बिना सोचे समझे. So similarly, go powerful, go all out on one sort of media, and the other will follow. But वो media कौन सा है? I hope you're understanding that. And now we'll deep dive into that कि भाई वो कैसे मीडिया में क्या क्या डिफरेंस है, क्या क्या बेसिक जेनरिक डिफरेंस है. The synonymity is there कि हर में फॉलोअर्स है, हर में फॉलोइंग है, हर में कंटेंट है, कहीं पे पिक्चर की बहुत वैल्यू है. लाइक इंस्टाग्राम में मैं लंबा सा पैरा लिख दूं, लोग देखेंगे ही नहीं, अरे भाई पता नहीं क्या कहानी लिख दी, हटो, राइट स्वाइप मारेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. बट लिंक्डइन में मैं अगर पिक्चर ही पिक्चर देखता रहूं, लोग हटाएंगे. भाई दे वांट टू लिसन टू अ स्टोरी कि मैं गरीब था, मैंने चाय बेचना शुरू करी, आज चाय से मेरा बहुत बड़ा एम्पायर हो गया, आई एम वर्थ $22 बिलियन. ये स्टोरी सब लिंक्डइन पे पढ़ते हैं. सिमिलरली ट्विटर पे लिमिट ही 140 वर्ड्स की आपके पास, आप लिख ही नहीं सकते, तो आपको सोचना ही 140 वर्ड्स के अंदर है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सोच रहे हैं मैं कुछ भी लिखता रहूं. इट हैज टू बी सो प्रिसाइज, सो कॉम्पैक्ट, सो लिटिल, एंड इट विल गो टू द मैक्सिमम, द फास्टेस्ट वे. जितना और किसी जगह फास्ट नहीं जा सकता वो ट्विटर पे जा सकता है. सो हर एक की एक अलग अलग नीड है, अलग अलग रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो डू यू हैव एनी पर्सनल चॉइस? शुड वी स्टार्ट विद फर्स्ट और शुड वी गो विद your favorite Instagram?
No, I think I have a question before that. How many of us have our own startups here? Hi, startup, like we are proud of ourselves. And how many of us are working in different sectors, private, government? Because a lot depends. When we speak about individual channels, when you have your own startup and when you're working for an organization, it's a different ball game altogether. Okay, and then how many of you still think that you are not social or not open enough to talk about yourself on social media? हमारे लिए है ही नहीं social media, yeah? We are very reserved as people. How many of you think that?
None, except one.
Like we can't do it.
Professionally we can speak.
But then,
Professionally yes, personally no.
Okay, alright. So, as I said, that synonymity to kuch.
Rather, I find it very weird, you know, some of the wives and husbands, they post, oh dear, I love you so many years. What is the point of writing all that on Facebook? We are together, living together.
एक वो oxymoron होता है ना?
Correct.
You want the entire world to know that you know your husband, or you love your husband or wife.
Yeah, so probably I think that's...
लाइफ का एक सच है ना जो कभी ट्रू नहीं होता. There is a oxymoron, happy marriage, ये कुछ नहीं होती है. बस वो प्रूव करना है. वो
Or I really don't understand the purpose behind that. Why do people post it like this? I mean, if you can throw some light on that.
Okay, interesting. I think okay. So let me now think how to channel.
उनकी out of 10 9 poster on this only, you know that.
Yeah.
अपने husband के साथ बहुत खुश है.
Relationship is not working well and
Is it? Oh my.
As I said, you know, everything is very subjective. Whether
आपने इनकी प्रोफाइल चेक करके इनसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा ना?
हाँ मुझे समझ में आ रहा है. I think you've conspired against me.
friends will feel jealous that yes, our relationship is really successful and they want to make them feel envy of it. Or I don't know.
No, I think I'm just reminding my husband that, you know, you are supposed to interact publicly more and get more social. So if it is me and his picture, then he'll respond. If it's me and my friends, he'll not respond. I'm just trying to make him more social. That's my answer for you. But yes, I'll tell you what happens is that, as I said, you know, I've been harping upon this. You need to understand what your calling is. You need to not go with the trends. As I said that anything which is used more than required, we tend to exploit it. Whether it's Instagram, whether it's LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, there are two categories. We are working for somebody, we are working in some organization in a full-time role. We have our own startups, we have our own organizations. Usme bhi there are now different branches. We are doing this for our own personal branding. We are doing it for our own brand. And it is all interconnected. Whatever you do for your own personal brand, there are a lot of mandates, you know, it comes when organizations say, hey, don't post this on LinkedIn. Hey, this topic is going on, you're not supposed to post about it. So, there are a lot of parameters which need to be followed. Sadly or happily, we need to follow it. Instagram, I will start with Instagram. There is no very hard and fast parameter there. People can equally share their kisses. They can share that somebody has beaten them. They can create their brand shop. They can bash influencers. They can do it. It's a platform where people have just taken it from everywhere, and you cannot stop it, right? Yes, of course, you're not supposed to like everything. You're not supposed to be appreciative of everything, but then you cannot help it. So I always say that find your calling, understand. Organically, it's a platform which is more open than any other platform. Organically, Instagram is something which is there for you because it uses less of content and more of imagery, more of pictures, more of videos. There's always a way to express. For example, if I am sitting here in person in front of you, me talking to you would make more sense. Me, like my video, like you can see me, will make more sense than me writing a message and sending it to you on WhatsApp, right? So there's less of content, more of imagery. So Instagram helps you there, where you think you can create an imagery. That is the reason that for any brands, any fashion brands, any brands which need to sell products, the Insta shop works more. The whole influencer system, that works more on Instagram. But having said that, an influencer in a financial sector or an influencer in some other organized sector will not work on Instagram. It works purely on imagery. Organically, it is very slow. Organically, Instagram takes time. You're supposed to engage. Inorganically or through paid campaigns, yes, it takes a certain amount of budget. It takes a certain amount of budget and it will give you the results. Now, Instagram also, there are two ways. One is that you do it on your own for all the people who have their startups or they are working. I'm sure people who are working full time for organizations, some of you in the marketing team, some of you in the paid campaign team here. Who does it? Who does paid campaigns for their organizations? Putting in money? Okay. So there are like two ways. Organically you can grow, and which is very slow. Whether you're doing it for your personal or you're doing it for your work. Even if you're posting your products, it will take time. It can be anything. It can be food, it can be mobile phones, it can be clothes, it can be makeup. If you're not putting in money, it will take time. You will have to continuously monitor what content is going, what hashtags you're using, what followers are coming. You need to, and there is no harm in removing your followers. It's a myth. 1000 followers हो गए, मैं छू नहीं रही हूँ, 1000 से कम हो जाएंगे. If you feel there are followers which are not relevant, if you feel there are bot profiles, please remove them. Organically, this is an exercise which is a must, and it will take a lot of time. It takes years for some startups to even build 500 followers, and it is completely fine. But if you know that that is working for you, some startup would say that, yeah, we just need an Instagram profile to be there. We need some good posts so that a person, because now it has become a habit. Oh, are you on Instagram? They want to see and take a look and feel. Even if you're not selling your product, you have to be satisfied. That is just your brand has to be there. You're making people aware of you. If you're doing paid campaigns, then yes, you need to understand your budget. You need to understand what are you selling, for how much are you selling, and how much can you pitch in. You will definitely get results. There's a term called lead generation, there's a term called conversions, there's a term called sales. This will definitely happen on LinkedIn. You can do follower campaigns, you can increase followers through those paid campaigns. You can get engagement through the paid campaigns. You can get people talking on your posts. You can get people inquiring about your products, and then the conversion. But there also conversion does not happen on its own. You need to have somebody in your organization who's talking to those people, putting their numbers in it. So it's a mix. It's a mix of all these activities put together on Instagram, and it will take some time. There also constant monitoring is needed. You need to have your calling. You need to understand आपको चाहिए क्या. आपको awareness चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ likes चाहिए, so उसका budget अलग होगा. because that's an easy task. Hey, please like, that's an easy task. That's you. Supposedly there is a shop. I say that I hire somebody and say that you need to distribute these pamphlets outside the shop. He'll take a 500 rupee a day. So distribute करना है उसका काम कम है. I say no. You have to make sure that distribute the pamphlet and make them like my page. उसका काम ज़्यादा, he'll take more money. So on Instagram, then there's more money involved. And then the third step is that no, you want the person to like the page and also come in and meet me. He'll say, oh, it will take more money. So everywhere, but you need to have your calling, what you're looking for. Organically, it is going to take time. There is no other way. Paid, you can get paid followers, but then they cannot be your buyers all the time. You need to understand that. Where we fail to understand things is that we have done a Lyca campaign, हमें sale आएगी. We have done an influencer campaign. I own a restaurant today, or I own a spa today. I hire 3 influencers. I call them that get a spa done and post about it. Or I own a restaurant. I call 5 influencers with 50k followers. Please eat. They come, they eat, and they go. It is not necessary that you will get sales. It is not necessary that your parties are getting booked. You are definitely getting more eyeballs. You are definitely getting your likes. So this difference you need to know. That is for Instagram. Yeah.
I have a query, not from Instagram but from LinkedIn.
Yeah, sure.
So what you said is absolutely right. When you go with a paid campaign, we invest some amount of money. Like I'm talking about academic programs, right? So you said you have to be consistent to get the results. We do get the leads. There is scoring, everything is done, but rarely the conversion happens from LinkedIn. You said conversions do happen, but in academic programs, at least our category, our target audience is government people, right? So rarely we get the conversions. Facebook is not meant for us, I believe. Government people we don't find. LinkedIn is the only place where we might get few responses, but no conversions. Now consistent, what is the duration you feel is consistent?
Okay. Could I just know what programs are these? What kind of conversions are you looking at?
Like, there are 2 days, 3 days training programs, there are 6 months academic programs, short programs. So what we do is the time when the batches start, approximately a month or 2 months before that we do this campaign part, right? So of course we stop that campaign when the batch starts, and then the second batch happens, then we again start a month or 2 months before. That is what we do.
Okay.
But fortunately, unfortunately, I can't say. It is only awareness which is being created in government, kind of a target. But conversions are very rare, very rare.
Okay. So now I'll just answer your question, and I also put in 2 cents of mine here. Are you only doing your campaigns on LinkedIn, or there is other way?
We've tried Facebook. Only
No, is it only online campaigns that you're doing on LinkedIn and no other?
We do mass mails apart from that. There are activities which go. But in social media, when you say yes, LinkedIn.
Okay. Alright. So see, it is, I cannot say that you do it for 3 months, you do it for 6 months, you do it for 10 months. There's no demarcation here. Yes, there is a minimum thing. कि अगर ये campaign चल रही है, if supposedly 1st May is the program, then you need at least 1 to 2 months of campaigning. Just make there'll be like 10 days of talking about it. But then there is a way. It is not just you or your company page talking about it. It has to be a mix of 2-3 things. It has to be 2-3 more people talking about you. When your campaign is going on, for example, if I am doing a workshop today, how many of us went and liked the YLC page ad? Or how many of us came through that YLC page ad or Instagram workshop ad? Some of us came because Rhythm called. Some of us came because I had tagged myself on that LinkedIn post. Some of us came because they are like, regular with YLC. So it is a mix. So see where you're lacking. If we only harp on one thing, it has to be a mix of everything. While your paid campaign is going on, make sure that whoever is involved in the campaign professionally, you're also resharing and sharing it on your own pages. The people who are already registering, probably feature them on your page. Let them kind of, show on your profile when people see. If you're only advertising, it does not click. That is the reason we use known faces. People need to see, oh, this person is also doing the workshop, let me see what it is about. Oh, this has also posted about the workshop, let me see what it is about. And then it has to be a mix. Like you said that you have to send mails, you have to send your WhatsApps. maybe speak to some people, maybe the ones who had done it in the past. So just putting in money on LinkedIn and expecting conversions is not the way. And then if you feel that LinkedIn, the ratio of getting conversions and the money you're putting on LinkedIn, you can definitely stop. You can try that also. That organically, hey, let's do this. Last month, हमारे program में 10 लोग आए थे. We will make them the program ambassadors. We are not going to put in money on a LinkedIn. We will market on LinkedIn, but we will make them our program ambassadors. We will send them a small gift, tell them let's post, and we will reshare their stories on our pages. So you need to keep refurbishing your campaign plans. Just putting in money there. Just putting in money and doing a campaign, if it is not working, it will not work for you. Just putting in creatives and trying to get audience, there is no connect in it. A person is not understanding what you're doing. Try different methods. If you're doing a static post, then maybe do a video of somebody talking about it. If you feel the video is not working, then maybe do a small note of somebody. If you feel that is not working, maybe जो पहले आपके लोगों ने program किए उनके testimonials share करिए. So one is putting in money, two is trying different formats, three is let people share, reshare. Let that multiplier effect work for you. Yeah.
So when you say being consistent is important, when we talk about startups and new entrepreneurs who have limited resources, limited money, every campaign costs, and when you are not getting the desired results, the motivation kind of goes down. So for a startup who has limited budgets and hardly any funds, what suggestion would you like to give?
Okay, I'll take my example here. It's been 3 years, though it has been 4 years for me to start my own consultancy. But I just say it's 3 years and I'm a young startup and a young person.
Yeah.
So for me, my budgets are limited. I am completely bootstrapped. I have not made my page. I have not made my website because I feel I still don't have the money to put in for that. And what new can I give to people? There are a lot of agencies, a lot of organizations which already have so much data about social media. What new will I give? I do not have that much energy. I do not have that much money to do it. Yes, I am active on LinkedIn. I am active on Instagram. I have done that exercise that how much energy I can put. Then my marketing has to be a mix of online, offline, both. We cannot negate that. If as a startup, I always say that because I am myself a startup and I work with a lot of startups, it is okay not to trust or not to just dwell upon social media for a while. Not going with the trend is okay for you. Because any paid campaign you do, anyways you're a startup. You don't have a lot of money. People like you in your sector are putting into 10 times the money you have. So even if you put that money, you're going to burn that money. It is going to take some time. So it is better that you put your money into something which is more as a preference for you. Maybe building your product, maybe hiring somebody offline and sending them to the market. So then see how much percentage you are giving to your offline marketing and online marketing. Then maybe as a person, for me for example, as a person, if I feel that online I cannot put in a lot of effort right now, then I'm putting more effort offline and I'm leveraging it online. So I'm putting more efforts in getting people to call me for workshops, getting people to call me for interactions. I click and then there are pictures. That is a multiplying social media activity for me. Then I need not boost that I'm doing workshop. Then I need not put money for my paid campaign. So I have to cushion my online marketing campaigns with something offline, with something which can multiply this effect, with people tagging about us, with people talking about us. It is the power of people. Even if we say social media, it is the power of people in the end. It is how you're expressing yourself. So then it is completely fine not to put in money to your website. You have to first understand your mandate. What is your mandate? You feel website ke bina kaam nahi chalega? No problems. Then just harp upon your website first. Please send your website links to people on WhatsApp, talk about it. Then if you feel that no, I cannot, I can put money only on the website and not on my Instagram paid campaign, then don't put it. Then make sure that you're active on LinkedIn. Let people talk about your website, let people tag you, let people. So you have to cushion your paid campaigns with something offline, with something indirect, so that you can make up for that loss. I hope I've answered the question.
Okay, I hope that it's been a little fruitful to understand how to grow it on Instagram, and as well as the difference between LinkedIn and Instagram and Twitter in that sense. And since she's been very right, just to sum all of this up, summarize this, कि Instagram is your face and look alike. कोई शादी करने जाता है तो सबसे पहले Instagram पे उसकी शक्ल देख रहा होता है, कहाँ पढ़ा, क्या करा, ये सब के लिए उस Instagram और Facebook नहीं खोलेंगे। दिखता कैसे है रियलिटी में भाई, पहले बायोडेटा में तो 2 या 3 पिक्चरें आएंगी, 100 पिक्चरें जो देखनी है वो सब Instagram, Facebook पे दिखाई देंगी। So that's like a window to the world. How do you look and what do you offer is a Facebook or Instagram for you. That can be a restaurant, can be a spa, can be a person, can be anything. So जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, जैसे कहते हैं। So that is your Instagram and Facebook कि भैया दिखा दो, जो पिक्चर डालनी है उस पर कहीं और लोग नहीं जाएंगे। To know about something कि इन्होंने लाइफ में क्या करा है, अचीवमेंट्स क्या हैं, मेडल्स क्या हैं, कहाँ जाते हैं, कहाँ पब्लिक में क्या बोलते हैं, किससे कनेक्टेड हैं, क्या है, दैट्स योर लिंक्डइन। प्रोफेशनली क्या करा हुआ है, क्या अचीवमेंट्स हैं, कहाँ जाएंगे, किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के पार्ट हैं, हाउ वाज द करियर शेप, इन स्कूल कब पास आउट हुआ था, कॉलेज कब पास आउट हुआ था, कॉलेज में फर्स्ट क्लास आई थी नहीं आई थी, ऑल ऑफ दैट कभी भी आपको इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक पे दिखाई नहीं दे सकता। लोग अपडेट ही नहीं करते। इट्स मेंट फॉर दैट कि भाई नहीं, बस appearances is there. LinkedIn is meant for this. Third option, which is Twitter, for me, and these are my personal brand choices. Twitter is something which both of these are offer. Twitter is just my way of communicating to the world. मुझे पता भी नहीं भाई आप कौन हो और मैं कौन है, we are not connected. आप फॉलो करो कर लो, मैं पॉइंटलेसली, मुझे दिमाग में कुछ आया, आई एम एंटी गवर्नमेंट, मैं चाहता हूँ लोग सुने मेरे को रेलवे में मैं गया था, खाना गंदा था, सर्विस नहीं थी, मैं तो बस एट इंडियन गवर्नमेंट रेलवे टैग करा और मिनिस्टर तक बात पहुंचा दी। एंड इट एक्चुअली हैपेंस, दे डू लिसन। कितनी बार पुलिस मेरी बात नहीं सुन रही, डायरेक्ट डाला एट दिल्ली पुलिस, एट डीसीपी, एट एसीपी, सुनो भाई आप। दैट इज व्हाट द पावर ऑफ ट्विटर इज। आई नीड टू वॉइस माई ओपिनियन। लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट लिखता रहूं, अरे मेरे साथ चोरी हुई, मेरा बैग चुरा लिया, कोई नहीं देखेगा। इंस्टाग्राम पे लिखूंगा तो वो रोने वाले इमोटिकॉन्स 4 दोस्त डाल देंगे, 25 लोग लिख लेंगे, हो सो सैड, ओ ये वो।
ये नहीं कहेंगे, वो कहेंगे कि यहाँ पे क्यों लिख रहे हो, क्या फायदा।
कोई नहीं कहेगा आपको ओपिनियन कोई नहीं देगा। बट टू मेक एन इम्पैक्ट, टू मेक पीपल लिसन, ट्विटर इज फॉर दैट। तो वो ही सेम थिंग, क्या न्यूज देनी है, क्या करना है, एंड द गवर्नमेंट इज रियली वर्किंग ऑन ट्विटर। Let me tell you, you're any problems, you're anything, you're any suffering, whatever you need to, you as a common man or a layman have been trying electricity, water, sewage, Delhi government, Modi government, anything, सब ट्विटर पे जाके बोल रहे हैं, and it has actually made an impact। सबका एक एक पर्सनल मीडिया है, आप खुद को सोचिए। बट अगेन, आज आपने ट्विटर की एक नई फेक प्रोफाइल बनाई, आपके 2 फॉलोअर और आपकी 25 फॉलोइंग, आप लिख दोगे तो शायद गवर्नमेंट भी ना एक्ट करे। They can also see your bot, क्योंकि उनको भी दिन में 5,000 5 लाख टैग्स आ रहे हैं। एवरीबॉडी इज टैगिंग मेरी ये प्रॉब्लम, सो दे आल्सो हैव टू चूज वाइजली। दैट इज व्हाई द इंपैक्ट लाने के लिए आपको भी थोड़ा इंपैक्टफुल होना पड़ेगा। यू आर अ जेन्युइन पर्सन, यू हैव सर्टेन फॉलोइंग, यू वॉइस योर ओपिनियन अदर वेज आल्सो। इट कांट बी लाइक दैट। सिमिलरली ऑन लिंक्डइन, सिमिलरली ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, एवरीवेयर you will also have to have a little more wajud, a little more eccentricity in your profile. You have to have that to create impact. So social media is a very powerful tool. It's up to you how to use that power. What is your right strategy? Career है, professionally है तो LinkedIn है, voicing your opinion, editorials है तो Twitter है, appearances है, product sell करना है, to reach out people, just to make that brand communication, brand बनाने तो Instagram है, everything is there. थोड़ा थोड़ा सब करिए, and most importantly टाइम लिमिट के साथ करिए। लोग बह जाते हैं, बहुत जल्दी बहक जाते हैं कि इंस्टाग्राम चल रहा है तो बाय गॉड वो देखते रहेंगे। लिंक्डइन में न्यूज फीड चल रही है तो ऊपर से नीचे एंडलेस स्क्रॉलिंग। आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव सीन, इट्स एन एंडलेस स्क्रॉल, द स्क्रॉल विल नेवर एंड कि वो यू हैव फिनिश्ड, आपने सारा कंटेंट कंज्यूम कर लिया, ये हो ही नहीं सकता। सो यू नीड टू कीप दैट टाइम लिमिट इन एवरीथिंग कि अपना ब्रांड भी कैसे बनाना है आपको और अपना टाइम कैसे यूटिलाइज करना है जुडिशियसली। बहुत जल्दी बहकते हैं कि आज अपने लिए कुछ लिखने जा रहे थे, वो कुछ अच्छा सा दिखाई दे गया, वी गॉट फ्रैगमेंटेड, ये पढ़ रहे थे, अरे तो बहुत अच्छी है, अरे शाहरुख तो कल यहाँ गया था, जानवी कपूर ने ये करा था, यू लाइक ऑल ओवर द प्लेस टू कीप योरसेल्फ motivated and consumed. And it's very simple. Their algos are, as you know, Anupriya pointed out, their algos are fantastic. आप, I have personally seen, आप सोच रहे हो कि उसके बारे में, वही चीज दिखाई देगी आपको. आपने फोन पे बोला पीठ दर्द हो रहा है, ओह देखना डॉक्टर की दवाइयाँ, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, वो एड्स पे एड्स, वही कंटेंट दिखाई देता रहेगा. सोशल मीडिया नोज व्हाट यू वांट. सिमिलरली यू हैव टू थिंक द अदर वे कि मुझे पता है अब मुझे जो बेचना है, हाउ डू आई रीच आउट टू ऑल दोस पीपल. इवन लिंक्डइन में भी आप कुछ एक चीज टाइप करेंगे, अगले दिन से आपको वही कंटेंट दिखाई देता रहेगा. स्टार्टअप लिख दोगे, फंड रेजिंग करनी है, तो लोग वीसीज आपके राइट साइड कॉलम में इससे कनेक्ट करे, ये वीसी है, ये इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर है, ये स्टार्टअप एंथुसियास्ट है, वही दिखाई देते रहेंगे. सेम गोज फॉर ट्विटर. द एल्गोस आर वेरी स्मार्ट. व्हाटएवर यू वांट दे विल शो दैट टू यू. आपको अब दूसरी तरफ से सोचना है कि यू नीड टू रीच आउट टू द पीपल हुम यू वांट, नॉट व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग. वो तो कनेक्ट कर देंगे, बट आपको आपका सामान बेचना है, आपको इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है, आपको एक वॉइस ओपिनियन देना है, तो हाउ डू यू गेट कनेक्टेड टू दैट राइट पीपल. दैट इज द पावर एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दिस एक्सरसाइज. हाउ टू यूटिलाइज योर सोशल मीडिया टू योर फुल पोटेंशियल.
Yeah, and to summarize, see, this is all something which I'm sure you must be thinking that this is something that we've been hearing. You know, ये ऐसे करना है, वो ऐसे करना है. To summarize, even the PPT says, you know, anything that we do on social media, whether it's for your brand, for sales, for anything, it's a fold process. One is building your brand. It can be you, or it can be your startup, it can be your company, it can be your product. Two is creating an awareness. बताना है लोगों को, अवेयर करना है, that is the second thing. Third is engagement. Engagement is where you see people are taking interest in what you are posting and what you are writing. It can be Twitter, your public opinion, where you are creating yourself as a personal brand. You are creating an awareness for yourself, and then people are saying कि okay ये बहुत opinions दे रहा है, so they will try and understand what you are doing, where you are working. Engagement is where they are trying to engage with you. They are trying to have conversations. It can be personal conversations, it can be price please, it can be what more are you doing, it can be are you looking for collaborations. That, and then the fourth is your sales or the conversions. Conversions for a brand can be sales. Conversions for me can be my workshops. Conversions for anybody who's just posting about their saris can be that, oh, we want to invite you to a sari kitty party. It can be any. Conversions can be any. If we talk of numbers, then it is revenue. If we talk of interest, then it is events. If we talk of services, then it is of course services. So everything can be summed up into these four things. And this is how, if you're hiring agencies, you're hiring teams, or you're doing it yourself. First is the brand that you're establishing, where you are first understanding your calling. Ask yourself questions. Who am I? What am I doing? What I want to do and what I want to speak about myself. Your content, whether I have enough content, I have enough resources. Resources can be something that you're posting, something that you're designing, your product, your money, your team. Alright? Third is the consistency that you can maintain, whether it's offline and online. And please understand that when we say digital marketing or social media, it is not possible to just do it online. You cannot say that मैंने online तो किया था, but if you're not taking offline efforts, it will not work. If I'm not sitting here and talking to you, only doing a Zoom might not have worked. If probably after this I do a Zoom session, then it will work for me because now you know me. Or maybe अभी मैंने Zoom करा होता and it was good, then probably I would have said कि let me do an offline also. So it has to be a mix. So that is that brand exercise is important. Then you need to